If you're thinking about sports betting and you've heard of DraftKings Sportsbook, it's important to first understand what it actually is, how it works in general, and what people mean when they talk about betting on sports online. This isn't just about placing random guesses on games. It's a system built around odds, probability, and risk, and it's something that should only be considered by adults in regions where online sports betting is legal. DraftKings Sportsbook is an online platform that allows users to place wagers on different sports events, from football and basketball to baseball, hockey, and even smaller leagues depending on availability in your region. When people talk about betting, what they're really doing is predicting outcomes and putting money on those predictions, with the possibility of winning more money if they're correct. But it's important to understand from the beginning that this is not a guaranteed way to make money. In fact, most people who participate in sports betting over time lose more than they win, because the system is designed with odds that favour the platform in the long run. To understand how something like DraftKings works, you first need to understand the idea of odds. Odds are basically numbers that represent how likely something is to happen. If a team is very likely to win, the payout for betting on them will be lower. If a team is less likely to win, the payout will be higher. This is how risk and reward are balanced in sports betting. For example, if a heavily favoured team wins, you don't earn much because it was expected. But if an underdog wins, and you predicted it correctly, the payout can be much larger because it was considered less likely. Sports betting also involves different types of wagers. The most common one people talk about is called a moneyline bet, which simply means you're picking which team or player will win a game. There are also spread bets, where you're not just picking the winner, but also considering by how much they win or lose. Then there are over and under bets, where you predict whether the total score in a game will be higher or lower than the number set by the sportsbook. These different types of bets are designed to make the experience more complex and more engaging, but they also increase the level of risk involved. Another important concept is something called the sportsbook line. The line is essentially the prediction made by the platform about how a game will go, and it is adjusted based on how people are betting. This means the odds are not fixed in stone. They can shift as more money comes in on one side or the other. This is part of how sportsbooks manage risk and ensure they remain profitable regardless of the outcome of a game. People are often drawn to platforms like DraftKings because of the excitement and entertainment value. Watching a game becomes more intense when there is something on the line. A match you might normally ignore suddenly feels more interesting when your prediction depends on it. That emotional engagement is one of the biggest reasons sports betting has become so popular in recent years, especially with mobile apps making it easy to participate from anywhere. However, it is also important to talk about the risks involved. Sports betting can be addictive for some people because it creates a cycle of anticipation and reward. Winning can feel very exciting, and losing can create a strong urge to try again and recover losses. This is where many people fall into problems. The reality is that no matter how much knowledge you have about sports, there is always an element of unpredictability. Injuries, last-minute decisions, weather conditions, and simple chance can all change the outcome of a game in ways nobody can fully control. Because of this, responsible gambling is extremely important. Anyone who chooses to participate should set strict limits for themselves, both in terms of time and money. It is not something that should be used as a way to make income or solve financial problems. It should be treated, if at all, as a form of entertainment, with money that you are fully prepared to lose without it affecting your life. That mindset is what separates casual entertainment from harmful behaviour. Another thing to understand is how platforms like DraftKings make money. They don't rely on guessing outcomes. Instead, they take a small percentage built into the odds, often referred to as the VIG or juice. This ensures that over time, the platform has a built-in advantage, regardless of who wins or loses individual bets. This is why long-term profitability for users is extremely difficult. When people first encounter sports betting, it can seem simple, but there is actually a lot of psychology involved. The design of betting apps, the excitement of live games, and the constant updates can all create a very engaging experience that keeps people coming back. That's why it's important to stay aware of your own behaviour and recognise when something stops being fun and starts becoming stressful or compulsive. There is also a strategic side that some experienced bettors try to use, such as studying team performance, analysing statistics, and following expert opinions. While this can improve decision making to some extent, it does not eliminate risk. Even the best analysts in the world cannot predict every outcome correctly because sports are inherently unpredictable. That unpredictability is part of what makes sports exciting, but it is also what makes betting uncertain. It is also worth noting that laws around sports betting vary depending on location. In many places, online sports betting is regulated and only allowed for users who are above a certain legal age, often 18 or 21, depending on the region. Platforms are required to follow these laws, which is why age verification is an important part of the process. Anyone under the legal age should not be engaging with these platforms in any form. At its core, DraftKings Sportsbook is built around entertainment, statistics, and probability. It takes the natural excitement of sports and adds a financial layer to it, which amplifies both the highs and the lows. Some people enjoy it casually and walk away without issues, while others struggle with control. The difference usually comes down to mindset, discipline, and self-awareness. If you ever find yourself thinking about sports betting, the most important thing is to slow down and really understand what you are getting involved in. It is not a shortcut to money, and it is not a skill-based system where outcomes are fully controllable. It is a form of entertainment that comes with financial risk, and it should be treated carefully and respectfully. So when people talk about how to bet on DraftKings Sportsbook, what they are really stepping into is a world of predictions, odds, and chance. It can be exciting, it can be engaging, and it can make sports more intense to watch. But it always carries risk. The smartest approach is not about chasing wins, but about understanding the system, knowing the risks, and making sure that entertainment never turns into something harmful or out of control. On top of everything, it's also important to understand that timing and information play a huge role in how odds move and how betting markets behave. Lines can change quickly before a game starts, especially when new information comes out, like a star player being injured, weather conditions shifting, or large amounts of money being placed on one side. Some people try to take advantage of these changes by placing bets early when odds are more favourable, while others wait closer to game time to see how things develop. But even with all of that, there is never a guaranteed perfect moment to bet, because the market is always adjusting based on collective expectations and incoming information. Another key thing to keep in mind is that emotional control is just as important as knowledge when it comes to sports betting. Many beginners start with excitement and confidence, especially after a few early wins, but that can quickly change after a losing streak. Chasing losses, increasing bet sizes out of frustration, or trying to win it back are some of the most common mistakes people make. Experienced users often focus more on discipline than prediction skills, because in the long run, staying consistent with limits and avoiding emotional decisions matters more than trying to outsmart every game.